Every year, more and more electric vehicles are hitting the roadways. By the year 2040, there's projected to be 70 million more EVs on the road than there were in 2020. Virtually every major vehicle manufacturer is investing in the electric vehicle boom, meaning time, efficiency, production costs, and specifically process control and validation are crucial. Over the last few decades, process control and validation has become an integral part of virtually every major automotive manufacturer. The utilization of big data to oversee every aspect of production allows manufacturers to better control their process, investigate any potential issues or defects, and predict and plan future maintenance. But how do you get process control and validation on an autonomous production line, especially when it involves flow? For years, AW Lake has worked closely with electric vehicle manufacturers to provide reliable and accurate flow measuring solutions that make the process control and validation of flow fluids easy. For example, one such company that specializes in electric trucks is using our tri-core Coriolis meters to measure the proper amount of thermally conductive and fire-retardant foam for their battery casings. This foam, when cured, secures individual battery cells in place while transferring thermal heat to cooling loops within the battery cases. Robotic arms along the assembly line dispense the pre-cured liquid foam into the battery matrix. Coriolis meters are placed in the foam supply tubing to verify a valid dispense as well as to monitor the temperature and density of the foam. This information is recorded by data logging software that can be referenced in potential warranty situations should they arise. Similarly, Coriolis meters are being used by one of the first EV manufacturers in the dispensing of the resin composites in the molds for the housings of their electric motors. In both instances, the ability for the manufacturers to monitor, document, and if need be, investigate the quality and/or amount of the foam and compound being applied in the production process is keeping their production lines in the fast lane. These are just a couple of examples of how AW Lake and our process flow measuring systems are helping revolutionize the automotive industry. To learn more about how our meters and sensors are being used in the EV industry, visit our website at awlake.com. There you can see similar EV application stories or even speak to one of our expert sales team who can help make your process control and validation for flow measurement easy.